It is given in this question, a titration is carrying out between sodium hydroxide and oxalic acid. We need to identify the indicator used and the color change at the end point of the titration. This is a type of acid-base titration. Here oxalic acid is titrated against sodium hydroxide. Oxalic acid is a weak acid and sodium hydroxide is a strong base. We have to use different types of indicators in different types of titrations. From this diagram, it is clear in a weak acid strong base titration, the indicator that can be used is phenolphthalein or thymol blue. Among these two, phenolphthalein is the common indicator. So the indicator used here is phenolphthalein. And the phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic solution and pink colored in basic solution. Now let's come to the options given here. The first option is the indicator is phenolphthalein and the color change is from pink to yellow. This is the wrong answer. And the second option says that the indicator is alkaline KMnO4 and the color change is colorless to pink. Alkaline KMnO4 cannot be used in acid-base titration. This is generally used in permanganometric titration. So option B is the incorrect one. In option C, it says that phenolphthalein is the indicator and the color change is from colorless to pink. This is the correct answer as we discussed now. And the last option is also wrong because methyl orange cannot be used for the titration between a weak acid and strong base. So the correct answer is option C.